Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to show you all what came in my newest MintMONGOOSE subscription, so stay tuned. So I will say I have peeked in this. I was too excited. I just remembered that MintMONGOOSE had told me that they were getting rose gold in the boxes, and I was very excited because I love rose gold. So here is the little box that it comes in, and I love their little seal, so cute. And I love the little boxes that they come in. So you'll see there's a nice little candy that comes with it. Oh, where there's original, yum. Then there's a card. It says thank you. And then yay, it's here. And it tells you all about how you can tag anything that you get on social media and win a free month. Be entered to win a free month. So I will leave all of the details down below in the description box so you can check out MintMONGOOSE for yourself. It is super affordable, and you can get 3 pieces of jewelry, I believe, for $10 using my code, which I'll leave down below. It's free shipping in the US, and I believe it ships within 48 hours whenever you sign up. So this is all in little individual packages. So I'm super excited to open these. Let's start with this one. So this is a necklace. Oh, and that's very, very pretty. Here. Look how gorgeous that is, and the rose gold. Oh my goodness. That almost, well, it's more of a bluish color, I think. It's hard to tell what color that is, but it's almost like a bluish tinted black. I don't know, it's very pretty. So that, and so I'm going to assume that there are matching earrings. And I believe I'm correct. Those are so pretty. Look at them. I've been very into having like smaller earrings lately because I love to wear them in my second hole. So having some like this are perfect. Then I got an accessory that I haven't gotten before, and it looks like a bracelet. I've never gotten a bracelet from them before. I've gotten a lot of rings, like the ones I'm wearing, but I've never gotten a bracelet. Of course, I can't get it out of the package, so. Oops. So that is really pretty. And it looks like it is very adjustable, which is really good because I have the tiniest wrists of maybe anyone. And I love that you can pull that really easily yourself. That is so cute. Yeah, I like it. Very, very cute. Thank you so much for watching my MintMONGOOSE unboxing. And if you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up on this so that I know that you enjoyed it. And if you try out Mint Mongoose, let me know what you think. I am obsessed with their jewelry. It is basically all that I wear now. I love getting the surprise mail. They do post what you're getting in your next box on their Instagram, but I try not to look at it because I just like being surprised. So make sure to check out the link and see what it's all about. It is so affordable and it really helps me keep my wardrobe kind of fresh without going crazy. So let me know what you think and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.